Cryptocurrency is the cash of the future. Why, you may ask? Because, as Elon Musk puts it, the world is gradually transforming into a cashless global community. That's why we are seeing new crypto tokens being created every year with the potential of having market caps well into billions of dollars. The newest crypto token currently making waves is Elongate, named after Tesla billionaire and innovator Elon Musk. Maybe you have some funding like there is a good chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth. What started out as a hilarious tweet by Elon now has crypto analysts predicting that this coin could potentially be going to the moon. On March 25th, Elon Musk jokingly told his 50 million followers on Twitter that if he was even involved in a scandal, that they could call it Elongate. One of the Elon's enthusiastic fans saw this as a grand opening and wasted no time setting up the Elongate website a few hours after Musk's tweet. According to official page, Elongate is a frictionless, high-yield deflationary coin that was created on the Binance Smart Chain. Because of its deflationary nature, no new coins will be mined once the limit is reached. The tokens will be removed periodically from the market over time. For now, they are still available with a total fixed supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. So, if you're looking to mine Elongate coins, then time is really the essence. In only a few weeks, the coin's popularity has soared all over the internet, especially on Twitter. Whenever Elon Musk tweets something, especially on the subject of cryptocurrencies, Elongate's price jumps. Currently, the coin has a price of $0.000056. That's a whole lot of zeros. It's basically $5 to the power of -7. Okay, so the dollar value of one coin might be super low right now. But you have to look at its current trading volume to see just how big this crypto token will get. In only 3 weeks, it amassed a trading volume of nearly $19 million. That's like starting your business today and in 3 weeks, you are a multimillionaire, which means that there are a ton of people buying Elongate even as we speak. Mind you, Elongate is in no way affiliated with Elon Musk except for the tweet he posted. So you can imagine how big this will get if he ever decides to endorse the coin or get involved with it. We could see Elongate potentially meet a market cap of $10 billion in the next couple of months and surpass the $1 per coin threshold. But before crossing that bridge, Elongate still has to be listed on Binance. For them to do so, they need to pay a security deposit to Binance as well as avail sustainable plans for the crypto token's future. This makes sense because they are still pretty new to the market and therefore face a number of risks along the way. However, the coin has been receiving a lot of crowdfunding and support for it to be listed on the exchange. They currently have more than 54,000 followers on Twitter and the numbers are rising every day. But what makes Elongate such a unique cryptocurrency? Well, according to their official website, they have stated that 10% of tax is charged on transactions, out of which a majority is said to go to charity. And despite launching only a few weeks ago, they have pledged a total of more than $1 million in monetary donations to various charities around the world. This clearly demonstrates the power and capital that meme tokens and internet culture have to change the face of charitable giving. Elongate has been hosting a series of weekly live streams known as charity parties together with their community of investors. As such, they have donated to charitable organizations including the Ocean Cleanup, Children International and Action Against Hunger. For example, Children International accepted a first donation of $75,000. That was later increased to $325,000 in Elongate's charity party held on April 18th. Action Against Hunger and the Ocean Cleanup have both received a total of $250,000 from the Elongate community. A further pledge has been reserved for B Green, who will join Elongate on a live stream event in line with this year's Earth Day celebrations.